Huh?
Check out my new remote control car! I painted it to look like our taxi. Pretty sweet, huh?
Not now, Ginger. We need something for...
Civil danger warning. The following town will be issued. Montgomery, Alabama. At approximately 2:45 p.m., a character was spotted walking down a sidewalk. Here are the following characteristics: purple splat, blue eyes, yellow skin, dark purple arms and legs, an animated mouth. This character from the Klasky Csupo franchise and old logo. This character's name is Splatt. He was seen in Splatt. According to Alabama Police Department, they will command you to seek shelter immediately. This message has been transmitted at the request of the Alabama Police Department. At 5:54 am Daylight Central Time, Splatt has walked around the entire state of Alabama and is under a stealing spree. Splatt stolen many items from a mall in St. Stevens, Alabama. Here are the items: a tablet, a DVD player, painting items, etc. If you see Splatt having the items, call 911.
Get ready for the life. Stay at Brandon Hasley Hotel and enjoy the hot tub. Many rooms to look for and everyone is welcome at Brandon Hasley Hotel, where sleep became Brandon's friend. Visit www.hotelbrandon.org to sign in.
The forecast for Brandon Hasley Radio, sponsored by Radio Shack. Today, sunny with a high of 46 and a low of 32. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy with a few showers. Saturday, rain and a high of 24 and a low of -4. BH 8.12.
A civil defense warning has been issued for the area. Around 10 minutes ago, the Splatt has been in Montgomery for too long, so he found a potion from the secret lab. It was a growth formula. Splatt decided to take a drink of it. The label said 1 foot to 2,000 feet wide. Splatt has grown into a 2,000 feet monster and is rampaging over the United States. Seek shelter now. Residents of Montgomery, Alabama, this is the time. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Splatt is going through the world, destroying everything. All residents will have a 1-mile radius to seek shelter. You will need a supply kit, food, battery-powered radio, technology at a low volume, and lights off. Stay inside at all times not to be seen by Splatt. Get ready for life finished. Stay safe. Splatt has now been shrunken and is in hostage. You may now leave your shelter. Back to programming.